In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an arrow in LibreOffice Draw in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy way to insert arrows into your document for diagrams, presentations, annotations, or to point out important details on the page. If you want to make your draw projects look cleaner and more professional, this is a very useful skill to know. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, you'll see the Start Center. From here, look on the left side under the Create section and click Draw Drawing. This will open a new LibreOffice Draw document where you can start adding shapes, lines, and arrows. Now that your draw file is open, take a look at the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Find the Line tool. You should see a small arrow next to it, which means there are more line options available. Click that small arrow to open the line and arrow menu. Once the menu expands, select the arrow style you want to use. LibreOffice Draw gives you different line and arrow variations, so you can choose the one that best fits your design. Whether you want a simple arrow or something more specific for your layout, this is where you pick it. After selecting the arrow style, move your mouse onto the page, click and drag across the canvas to draw the arrow where you want it to appear. As you drag, you'll see the arrow being created in real time. Release the mouse when you're happy with the size and direction, and that's it. The arrow is now inserted into your LibreOffice Draw document. You can use it to connect objects, highlight steps, or guide attention to a specific area. If you need to adjust it, you can usually click the arrow again and reposition or resize it as needed. This is a really simple but helpful feature in LibreOffice Draw, especially if you're building diagrams, flowcharts, or visual instructions. Once you know where to find the line tool and arrow options, adding arrows becomes fast and easy. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.